Refrigeration HVAC exam practice question set 22. Number 1. TXV bulb pressure equals answer spring pressure plus evaporator pressure. Number 2. Which is lighter, R134A or R12? Answer R134A. Bimetal device, movement lengthened by? Answer increase in length and forming into a coil or helix. Number 4. Heat anticipator has adjustable resistor and thermostat that is used to answer stop furnace prematurely. Number 5. Cooling compensator has fixed resistor that answer starts AC prematurely. Number 6. Burnout heat anticipator results in furnace won't work. Number 7. Burnout cooling compensator results in answer large temperature swings. Another set. Number 1. Location of pneumatic branch line. Answer between controller and actuator. Number 2. Pneumatic heating valve is fully open. What's the cause? Answer loss of branch air pressure. Number 3. How to verify economizer. Answer raise mechanical lockout above ambient, and then lower thermostat, lower room thermostat, and then cycle the economizer. Number 4. Purpose of auto transformer. Answer reduces starting torque by reducing starting voltage. Number 5. Temperature of oxyacetylene. Answer 6,000 Fahrenheit. Number 6. What's the slope on vapor line and liquid line? Answer vapor 1/2 inch per 10 feet. Liquid line, no slope. What's the procedure to disassemble TXV? Answer remove sensing bulb, relieve spring pressure, remove power element, and remove the cartridge assembly. Share knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. There's a link to my blog for the other sets that I have made as well. Okay, cheers and have a good one.